And Whitney, what happens is on the right-hand side, there's a chat simulator. And in the chat simulator, what the chat simulator does, it makes it look and it feel like it's a live event with a group of people. So whether if it's one person watching or 100 people watching, you have this chat that's going up and down, and it keeps them engaged. And the way that we
Yeah.
create that chat,
200 clients from webinars and no sales calls? Yes, that's how Andy does it. And he has it automated where he recorded a video one time and he's making money from this every single day. In this video, he shows it all. So if you're looking to learn how the pros are making money and living life on their own terms, this is one of those strategies. And even if you don't know what SaaS is, we're gonna break it down, so don't worry. You guys ready to get into it? Let's go. Okay, Andy, can you explain to us what first is SaaS and what does it even stand for?
all right, Whitney. So SaaS is software as a service. And so the service that you're selling is actually the software itself. You know, for example, like when you call your insurance company, when you call the dentist office and you call them and they say, "Hi, Whitney, it's been 6 months since we last seen you." And you're like, "How do you know?" And they'll say, "Whitney, how are the children? It's been such a long time since we have seen them as well." And be like, "Man, how, are you stalking me?" And no, they're not stalking you. They have a software, and this software, what it does, it tracks the relationship with your clients. And every business has that technology. And now you can actually sell that technology where you're selling that service to other people and you're capitalizing on the revenue. The revenue ends up becoming yours. That's what SaaS is.
Okay, so that's really cool. So you're selling like an already software, but with your name on it. That's how it works.
You hit it on the nail. So when we think about the software as a service, you know about these big companies like Microsoft and so on and so forth. Those are huge companies and they put their name on it. There is now a company that is allowing you to put your name on it and you create the software company yourself, all under your name, but they take care of all the tech stuff. They take care of the build outs, all the tech infrastructure. You just focus on selling it and providing it to your customers.
So how do you sell something like this? Like, what are the different ways that you have actually done this?
So there's a couple ways. I've done I almost every scenario in selling I've done one to one where I've actually cold called people to set up appointments and then I would go into their office or go into their business and I would actually sit down with the business owner and I would do a presentation. Many times I would do a whiteboard presentation. Then I upgraded to like having PowerPoints. And then so that's the one to one. I've done cold calling and door knocking where I would, after doing an in-person meeting, I would then look at the surrounding businesses and I would go knock on the different doors and I would say, "Hey, my name is Andy. I have this software company that helps business owners." Click, and people would close the door in front of my face, right? They would close the doors. So I've done that. Some of them were successful where we got customers. Some of them, most of them weren't successful where we didn't get customers. So I've done events where I would go to different events and I would ask people, "Hey, can I speak on your stage?" And they would give a demonstration of my software. So I've done it all when it comes down to selling. But the one strategy that I do like the most, I will share with you. I'm kind of sharing with you what I don't like. The one strategy that I do like the most is one-to-many presentations because I'm able to get leverage. Have you ever heard of that term, Whitney, leverage?
Yeah.
So this idea is if I know every time that I go knock on a business's door, if I had to get in front of 200 of them to get 10 customers, that was my goal. I got to knock on 200 doors to get to 10 customers. Then I had thought of an idea like, what if I just bring all 200 people in front of me and I just give them the opportunity to buy, and the 190 just leave and they don't buy, but the 10 that actually wanted it, they buy. I like that strategy the most.
No, I love that. Okay, can you like show us an example of how that works?
So the strategy here is on Zoom. You can use a platform like Zoom or Webinar Core where you bring people together and you give them a presentation. And on that presentation, you show them a PowerPoint presentation of like your system, how it works, and how it can help them in their business.
Well, I know how a lot of people talk about like, okay, well, how long do they keep this service? Can you give us an example of like the churn? Like, do they buy it and then they say, "Oh, I don't need this"? Like, what's an example of like, or can you give us some numbers where like, do people keep this software after they, start with it?
So industry standard has been they keep the software for 4 years. That's industry standard.
Okay.
That's if nothing changes about the software. So, here's why. Think about a small business. Now, in the software, I can give you, would you like me to give you a demonstration of the software?
Yeah.
In the software, this is their phone number, their business phone number. This is their website. This is their customer management software. So let me go ahead and give you an example. Let me pull it up on my screen here. So here in the software, What you can do is you can track your dashboard. So in this dashboard, you can see all of the pipeline and all the sales opportunity that has been created. And on top of that, you can track conversations. So you can see the different conversations that you've had or your client has had with their customers in one platform. You can see the contacts, the details of the appointments that you've had, and so forth. So, for example, all of my users inside of this demo account, they'll be able to see my calendar and other people's calendar. You can see all the customer contact details. So when the contacts load here in the scenario, I can go ahead and see, okay, let's see this person, Andy at Andy. I can send this person an email. I can see the calls that they've made and the transcription of the calls. I can take notes. I can create tasks and I can take notes on this contact so I can see, okay, this is what happened when Jason called in. They had an issue with their toilet. This was a demonstration for a plumber that I did, and so on and so forth. So in one platform, I can track not just one customer, but I can track thousands of customers as my business grows from this one platform.
Okay, no, this is really good. Now, can you give us some examples of like what type of customer would need this software?
Great question. So the type of businesses that are going to need this type of technology are people who are working with a large group of clients. If your customer works with a small handful of clients, I'm talking about like 10 or less, they're probably using
Yeah,
their personal phone. But if they're working with 10 or more customers, then they need a software to manage this their business. So
yeah.
think about HVAC, think about dentists, think about chiropractors, think about the plumbers, think about these companies that you call on a monthly or weekly basis. They need something to keep track of all of their customers. And
Yeah.
for the first time ever, you can actually bring to them the technology, sell to them, and you keep 100% of the revenue.
I love that. Okay, so what's the frequency that you're doing and can you give us like what you're doing now as far as webinars? So how often are you doing these webinars to get to, I know you've gotten over 200 SaaS clients from webinars. So can you kind of show us like how were you doing it or how are you doing it?
So the word awards behind me here, this is actually from High Levels Award. These two are for 100 apiece. So 100, and then this one was for 500 customers, and this one in the middle is for doing over $1 million with High Level in 1 year. So with that being said, the strategy is there's two strategies that I deploy. One is automated and one is live. The live is how I actually got started. We're in the middle of the pandemic. I had to figure out how do I start selling and how do I start marketing if I can't go in person, I can't go to
Mhm.
in-person events and so on and so forth. So what I found out is I can bring people together on a Zoom call, or I can use a software like Webinar Core and just bring people together and give them all an opportunity to buy. So the strategy here is just hosting one live webinar every single month, and throughout the entire month, I'm just getting as many people to that presentation as possible, where I'm showing them how the software works and if they and them making a decision if they want to buy or not. And for the majority of the people that want this, they go ahead and buy. And the rest of the month, I'm just following up with the people that didn't buy and ask them, "Hey, why didn't you buy from the webinar presentation?" I answer their questions and then I close the deal. So it comes out all the effort leads the customers into just one webinar presentation a month.
Okay, that's really cool. Now, what are you doing now? Because I know you talked about having it automated too. How does that look? How are you doing that?
So I can actually draw I guess a presentation that this is kind of just me drawing on my whiteboard. I can share that with you if you like.
Okay.
All right. So here, this is not the best. This is not the best drawing here, but it's something to kind of illustrate the point
Oh,
here.
wow. You're not lying.
Yeah. So here in the scenario, the way that it works is, let me just zoom out here. All right. So the way that it works here is I get traffic from Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and from the traffic, I bring them into an automated webinar. So what I did is I take a presentation. So remember the PowerPoint that I shared with you? I take that presentation and I record it on my computer. And then I upload it to this software called Webinar Core, and then I turn it into an automated sales presentation. Once I send people to the automated sales presentation, then afterwards they go through an onboarding call with a company called GHL Engine, and I happen to own GHL Engine. So here in this scenario, I'm creating automated daily presentations every single day. So I take what I did once per month and I do it live every single day through an automated webinar.
Oh, wow. Now, can you give us an example of how you are creating a live experience from this? Like, how does this feel real and not like just some automated machine people are going through?
Great question. So let me share with you here, and let me open up one of my pre-recorded ones. So here's an example of the platform right here where, and I actually got a better one here. This is me showing some customers. So in this scenario here, it looks and it feels. So I have it muted right now. So if I click unmute, I'll be able to hear it. You'll be able to hear it as well. But here in the actual presentation, I'm showing the customers how the software works. Now, this was pre-recorded one time. And then I take that pre-recording and then I show it to customers on this presentation here. Now, the way that people go ahead and register is they go to one of my web pages, and here I got one that's taking place in 3 minutes. I got one that's taking place in 4 hours, another one that's taking place in 21 hours, but it's pre-recorded. So when someone comes to this web page and they click put in their first name, their email, their phone number, they click register now. In 2 minutes, that person will get an email that says, "Hey, come and join us on the presentation." Then they'll be brought to this presentation. I think if I refresh this, it'll start from the beginning. And here it is. It starts from the beginning. But it looks and it feels like it's a live presentation. Like I'm taking a drink of water. I'm like, "Hi, welcome everyone to today's call." And then people can go ahead and watch the actual presentation and sit down for an hour. And Whitney, what happens is on the right-hand side, there's a chat simulator. And in the chat simulator, what the chat simulator does, it makes it look and it feel like it's a live event with a group of people. So whether if it's one person watching or 100 people watching, you have this chat that's going up and down of people saying, "Hi, I'm from Boston. Hi, I'm from Chicago. Hi, I run this industry. Hi, I run that industry." So imagine you send one customer, just one person to your webinar that's automated. And when they go in, they're watching this presentation, and on the right hand side is like 100 people that's going back and forth. And it's like, whoa, this is the live experience. This is what the experience is if it was live, and it keeps them engaged. And the way that we
Yeah.
create that chat is actually using ChatGPT, where we take the transcript of the presentation. So and we have a whole system on how you can do it yourself as well within just a few clicks. You take the whole transcript of the presentation, you upload it to ChatGPT, and then you say, "ChatGPT, can you give me the comments and as if it was a live event?" You take those comments, upload it to Webinar Core, and on the right hand side, at the right moment, at the right interval, it will respond to the transcript. So, meaning if in the transcript I said, "Hi everyone, I'm from Las Vegas, where are you?" You'll see on the right hand side everyone saying, "I'm from Las Vegas, I'm from Boston, I'm from Chicago, I'm from Illinois, I'm from Orlando, I'm from Texas." And then you say, and then I'll say, for example, in the same transcript, "Who here wants to grow their business?" And everyone in the chat is like, "I do. I want to grow my business. I want to grow my business. I want to take my business to the next level." And all of that whole process is automated with AI.
I love that. I think that's the coolest thing in the world. Okay, so like if you want to do this, like how could they do what you're doing?
The first step that I would do, I know when people look at my results today, they're like, "Man, Andy, you got a couple hundred customers. You got 500 customers last year. Like you're crushing it, and good for you."
Yeah.
Instead, I invite you, rather than saying wow, I invite you to ask how.
Yeah.
And how was I started a trial. Many years ago, I started a trial with High Level, and someone came to me and was like, "Hey, try the software. You don't know what you could create." I'm 100% glad that I just tried it. Because on the other
Yeah.
side of trying it is when I started to learn the skills and I started to understand and get coaching and advice from other people who are doing it. And I found out the reason that they were willing to get coaching and give advice was because it was changing their lives and they would just want to give the good news to other people. So
Yeah.
the way to get started is actually to start a high level trial. I think Whitney, you have a link for
Yeah.
viewers. Where do they get access to that link?
It's you get 30 days free. I'll put it in the description below.
So if you give, tell you what I'll do. If you're watching this and you love what you saw so far, if you decide to try high level, the same one that I did, you complete your trial. It's 30 days free. On top of that, I actually have a coaching program where I coach a couple thousand high level agencies and I give all my tools. I give all my PowerPoint templates, my past recordings. I give them the transcripts. I give them the tools, the software, the whole entire system to go ahead and acquire customers. I'll give that
Wow.
to you free for 30 days as well. So you'll get high level for free for 30 days and you'll get my coaching free for 30 days. And then your first step is right now just to try high level with Whitney's link down in the description.
Thank you. And you do coaching every week, don't you?
Every week, me and my team are working with agency owners. So if you decide to sell high level, you're called an agency. And so every week we work with you to help you market, sell, onboard, retain subscribers, and scale your business. Every week we're in the grind with you. in the trenches as you implement all of these systems, because we know that it works for us, that we also know that it could work for you. So we give you those systems and we give you the tools and we give the people to guide you along the journey.
This is amazing. Thank you, Andy. I'm so appreciative. So you guys have to try this. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section and comment the word. If you're in, put the word I'm in the comment section so I can see who's actually going to be doing this. All right. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.